Hey everyone, my name is Jerry of the Fuji Guys. Today I'm going to go through the unboxing of the new X-H1. This is the latest mirrorless camera from Fuji. It's got in-body image stabilization, which is a really big plus. And this particular package actually includes the grip. And there's a few other little bonuses in there as well. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So let's get started. Open up the top box here, and what you'll see right away is the location for the instruction book. So depending on your market, you're going to get the appropriate books and the appropriate inserts that you need for your market. So I'll just put that aside. But you'll notice here too on the top, there's the ability to download the instruction manuals through QR codes. As well as the ability to do your remote app download as well. So a couple of QR codes to make it easier for you as well. So we'll just put that aside there. Got a little protective cover. And right away we've got the camera. So I'm just going to pull out the actual insert itself. And this is the camera itself. So this is the new X-H1. So I'll just put that off to the side. So there it is there. And you'll notice here on the back, there's going to be a little seal on the back, and that seal is to really ensure that, you know, you're getting a new product. So it's to really ensure that when you buy it, it hasn't been opened before and it's ready to go. So here we go. So I'm just going to unbag the camera itself. So it comes in a bag. Put the bag off to the side here. And I guess I'll start with the side box here because there's a couple of inner boxes here. So we're going to get started with this one. Just put that aside. Let's see what's in this box. I have no idea. Oh, there we go. So this actually is the grip. So this includes the grip itself. So there's the vertical grip. Let me just push that off a bit. And with the grip, and in the box with the grip, you'll notice here right away, 1 and 2 batteries. And that's right, these are included in with the package. These aren't sold separately. And also included with the grip is the actual AC adapter as well. So you'll get the appropriate AC cable for your market, whether it's Europe or North America, as well as the power plug here. And one of the really cool features is the fact that with the grip, you can actually charge 2 batteries at the same time. So you're actually getting kind of like extra charging capacity with this grip as well. So we'll put that off to the side there. Close this box, push that there. And let's grab this inner box here. And now we have all your charging needs, basically, and power needs. So here's the 3rd battery. So this is the one that actually comes for the camera itself. So if you're just getting the camera body itself, you'll get the 1 battery. You'll get the charging block. So now with this package here that I'm unboxing right now, you can actually charge 3 batteries simultaneously. So that's really, really good. This little package here, this is the little EFX8 little pop-up flash or accessory flash that we include. Same one that you're getting with the X-T2 and the X-T3 for that matter. And here we have a little cable lock as well. This is really handy for studio work, for video work, anything like that, where you want to really, you know, make sure that your cables are well connected and not being pulled out inadvertently. Here we have the little eyelets for the strap as well as the leather protectors. And a little tool to help you pry the little things apart there. And then we have here the strap. So this is actually the exact same strap that you're going to get with the GFX. So this is the padded, heavier duty strap. Put that to the side. And the AC power cable for the charger as well. So you'll actually have 2 of these. It's kind of convenient having kind of 2. If you're traveling, you might only want to bring 1 because it'll work for both the AC charger as well as the charging block as well. So those are all the components that we have. I don't think there's anything hiding in there. No, not at all. But this is a really cool package. So yeah, so that's all the contents we have today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and on Instagram. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to post them down below. Until next time, I'm Jerry the Fuji Guy.